For today's video, we're going to compare bar graphs. Anytime I have a bar graph, I like to put the numbers with the bars that they belong with. Now looking at this bar graph, it's talking about music downloads and how many girls compared to boys prefer country, rap, and rock. So if I go ahead and write down my numbers for country, on the left side, the unshaded part is girls. I have 10 G for girls, and for boys I have 3 boys. For rap I have 4 girls, and for rap I have 11 boys. And hopefully you know that each space is worth 2, so that's why in between is going to give me the 11. And for rock, the girls would be 6 girls, and same thing for the boys, 6 boys. Now looking at the questions, you're going to respond with true or false. It says boys like rap music more than country and rock combined. So we're just looking at the boys. So for rap boys we have 11, and it says more than, and if I use just the more than symbol, I can do that. Country and rock combined. Well, country is 3 and rock is 6. Well, 3 plus 6 gives you 9, and is 11 greater than 9? Yes, it is, so that one would be true. All right, next one. Girls like rap music more than boys like country. So we're doing girls with rap more than boys with country. This time, since we're combining the girls and boys, I just put a label in there. Girls for rap, that would be 4. And we're going to find out if it's greater than boys liking country. Now, is 4 greater than 3? Yes, it is, so that is also true. Moving along to the next bar graph. This one we are looking at favorite colors. So again, the first thing I'm going to do is put down the numbers for each of the colors. So I did that, and now looking at the questions, I notice it's talking about percents. Well, if I have questions that deal with percents, I'm going to need to know what my total number is that I'm dealing with. Well, my total number, if I added up all those colors, I would end up with 50. So when I look over there to the left of my first question, true or false, more than 12% of the students choose purple. So if I look at my purple color says 6 out of 50 choose purple. Well, now remember, percents, we can set them up as a proportion. So the part is 6, the total is 50, and then we would set up x over 100. Now, if I cross multiply, or I can see from 50 to 100, that's times 2 times 2, and then that would give me x equals 12%. But is this answer correct? Is it true or false? It says more than 12%. Well, we just found out that it is 12%. So the wording really matters. So not exactly 12%, more than, which means this answer is a false statement. And the last one, it says exactly 50% of the students chose red, blue, or green. So red, there's 9. Blue, there's 9, and green, there's 7. It says the word or, so that means we're going to add those together, and if we add those together, we get 25 of those 3 colors. Now setting it up, I have 25 out of the 50 are those 3 colors, equals x over 100. Again, I can see times 2. That's my scale factor, times 2, and x is equal to 50%. Now, is this statement true or false? Well, the wording says exactly 50% of the students choose those three colors, and we found out that it is exactly 50%. So this answer would be a true statement. Best of luck on today's assignment. Send me a message if you have any questions.